Meaning of farrier.
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 Farrier. A farrier is a skilled professional who specializes in equine hoof care. They provide a range of services including trimming, shoeing, and caring for horses' feet. Farriers are trained to maintain the overall health and soundness of horses by ensuring their hooves are kept in good condition. This involves removing any excess growth, shaping the hooves, and fitting shoes if necessary. By providing regular hoof care, farriers can help prevent lameness and other problems that can occur when horses' feet are neglected. Overall, farriers play an important role in the health and well-being of horses.